What?
All right. Are we live?
We are live. We are live.
We
Hey,
are
Robbie, how you
live.
doing?
Hey, Itzik, I am doing great. I am so excited to get this going, to launch another Blitz CTF challenge and to see what amazing solutions people can come up with at this time around.
Absolutely, absolutely. I'm so excited. This is going to be fun. Just like the last ones and maybe even
For
more.
sure.
We have a lot of people registered this time, and we're expecting to get a nice competition going here. So, hello everyone. We just joined a little bit before, so we can do the countdown and start with you guys on solving the challenges. The challenge is starting in less than 2 minutes, and we'll get going. So, let me quickly explain what's going on. I'm going to do that again at the top of the hours because someone might join then. So we have a 6 hours blitz, 6 challenges, gradual complexity. You will see that. We'll review them quickly with you to see what's going on. And the more you solve, the better. If you solve the entire six, awesome. And the earlier you do it, the better. So if you are the first one to solve the six, you win. And there are nice prizes. There's $600 for the winner, and $300 for second place, $100 for third place. It's really going to be a lot of fun. So, yeah. So we're almost at the time. How much are we left with?
20 seconds left. So
20
we
seconds.
should get ready for this countdown, shouldn't we,
Yeah.
Itzik?
Yeah.
So we're about to reach 10, so 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's go. Let the hacking begin, everybody. So now,
Begin.
hopefully, you can sign up and play. There we go. With the play button. And then you should get kicked straight into the environment that you see right here. So as you can see while it's loading, we have 6 challenges, a scoreboard on the right. We have the code of the challenge, and I think Itzik is going to do a little introduction into the first challenge to kind of show you what's up and to show you how our platform here works.
Exactly. So there are 2 types of challenges. Not sure if we have the second type here on our challenge, but there is a backend one where you see a URL here and a payload. The backend challenges are always JSON. So what you see here, the first one is a backend challenge. There's an API endpoint for companies API. So let's quickly review that. The goal of the challenge is to get the list of all companies from the API. There's a MongoDB query here for to fetch the companies with kind of like a find request for MongoDB. And there is a vulnerability here, which the developer actually did block to some degree here, but I don't think it was perfect. So if you can find a way to crack it, that's the best way to kind of like get in. So this is the simplest one. It's 1 pepper, and we're live, so you can already try to solve it. And then every challenge gradually becomes more complicated. You see the second one is 2 pepper. The third one is 3 pepper. The fourth one is again 3 pepper. The fifth one is 4 peppers. And the last one is 5 peppers. And this guy is tricky. So take a deep breath and dive in.
And
Anyway,
yeah, because these
starting here.
challenges, they don't get gradually difficult. I think for some of them, they go exponentially difficult.
Exactly.
So
Yeah.
what we saw the last time is, of course, the first couple of challenges that have been made so that, people can solve them. They have been made a little easier. So maybe the professionals in the crowd here, they will get through them very quickly. But then we should see them really slow down and grind to a halt by the later challenges, just because it just gets so tricky. Last time we had, I think, 5 or 6 contenders who were really fighting for that first spot. I am excited to see what is going to happen this time. And I think this might be the event where nobody solves all the challenges. But, I might have to swallow those words later when somebody flies through all of them.
Hopefully,
I'm really excited.
I'm hopeful that you're wrong, but If that happens, then means that really the last one is probably pretty complex.
We'll have only time will tell, I guess.
Exactly.
So far, we haven't seen anybody solve it, so that's great. It would have been crazy if somebody solved one challenge within 3 minutes, but
Yep. Okay, one more thing. As you know, we're a community. There's a Discord challenge here. Feel free to join it. If you need a link to join, just let us know. We'll send a link and post a link somewhere. Actually, we can post it here, but that's too late. Maybe I can post that here quickly. I'll do that in a second, right after this this live session. I'm going to post here the link to join the Discord, because here you can post as a guest. If you actually want to join the Discord and use your app, no problem, you can do that. And there's plenty of people there, about 500 excited developers and hackers, community of a blend mix of a little bit of everything, and really a lot of talented people over there. So we're not sharing any solutions, we're not helping people, but we are helping with technicalities. If someone can't figure out why their curl command doesn't work, you can check, if their escaping is fine. That's okay, helping them to make sure that they post it properly. But let's not give hints for challenges. It's a competition. We'll definitely have an opportunity to educate and learn after the game is over. Okay?
Yeah, exactly. Let's play it fair, and as its success. If you have any questions where you think maybe something is broken, then that's when you need to reach out to us. If it's just if it's just that you maybe cannot find a solution, then we won't be able to help. We won't be able to give hints during the runtime of the challenge, just to make it fair for everybody, of course. But the way to reach us is through Discord. So, if you need to send us a message, do it through Discord. We will also go live every 2 hours of the challenge. So that's also an opportunity for you to ask questions in the YouTube chat or anywhere else, and we'll be happy to answer them then as well.
Absolutely. So we have one now, 10 a.m. is the kickoff. We'll finish that session. Then we have another session at noon Eastern US time. And just remember, it was a time difference, so it's all two hour, or depending, like if it's Central Europe time, it's 5 hour difference, not 6 as it used to be. So so it's now, what is it on your end, Robbie? Is it
right now it's 3 p.m. So the next live will be at 5 p.m. In Brussels, Central Europe. The second live stream will be, or the third live stream will be at 7 p.m. and then we'll finalize everything at 9 p.m.
Exactly. So 4 sessions here. I posted yesterday on the Discord the links to all the the lives. Whether you prefer LinkedIn or YouTube, just join us and we'll be there live. Q&A if you want. You can also DM us on Discord if you have a question or a thought, or something doesn't look right, or you have you have something very specific that you want to share. Okay.
And Isik, I think that you should refresh your game that you have up on the screen here, because we already have 2 people. And look at the timing. Like, this is neck on neck, 2 minutes difference. And Felipe solved this challenge in only 3 minutes, which is absolutely mind-boggling. Never in my life would I have guessed this.
Amazing. We already know that you guys are good. Show us again. I think this one, some of them will be a little bit more challenging and fun for you guys. So I'm really excited about this. Great job, guys. So awesome. The other thing I wanted to mention, so if you log out and go back to the homepage here, you'll see, the prizes, you'll see the, timing is not relevant right now, but, rules of the game. So if you want to remind yourself, what are the rules, what are you expected to do and so forth, then, you can always jump in here again and see. The game is going to close at the top of the hour, 4 p.m. US Eastern time. And then in terms of kind of challenges, so this one is an endpoint. This one is an endpoint. I think they're all. Am I wrong? Yeah, they're all endpoints this time. No, sorry.
Oh,
So
yeah.
these two, okay, are a little more complicated and require work outside of the platform. And at the end, once you have the flag, you just submit it here. Okay. So you submit it in, you can read the code and find for yourself how to do it. But that's a query argument, right? So you can submit here if you know what the flag is. In this case, it's going to be, you know, submit
Password.
flag, password, right? Word. So if you do password, is that right? Yeah, password equals,
exactly.
and whatever the password is, submit it, and that's how you get the flag. So that's true for this one, right? And
Yeah.
number 5 as well. Only submit flag and not a password. Doesn't matter, and you can see the code here. So
Yeah, and the
you need
last
to-
3 challenges, they also have a front end, which you can also see in the code. So you can
Yeah.
just visit the URL as well, and then you should see a nice front end for you to enjoy, I guess.
Mhm. Awesome. We got, Felipe already solved the
Wow.
second challenge. Guys, this is nice. This is nice.
How? Like, this is just incredible.
Incredible.
Yeah.
Incredible.
Congratulations, Felipe. This is going great for you. Let's hope that one of these challenges hits your Achilles heel and stops you in your track so people can catch up.
Yep. Okay. So again, if you have questions, thoughts, ideas, whatever, reach out. We'll be all the time available, both Robbie and I, not live, but live at 12 at noon Eastern again, and we'll just monitor that everything is going fine. Okay. So good luck, everyone. Anything else you want to add, Robbie, before we wrap it up?
No, well, one thing is everybody band together and kick Felipe off his spot and go for that first spot. You can all do it. I believe in you.
Yeah. We all believe in you here at WIzer, and we're hoping to see a good fight. Thank you, guys.
Take care.
Later.
See you in the next
Bye-bye.
live stream. Bye.